Hi guys, welcome to this video about the Benton's crispy coconut rolls. I've bought them at Aldi's a couple of days ago and I was quite happy to that I found something which seemed to be healthy and good. And yeah, of course they are a little bit pricey, but I thought, yeah, if something is really healthy, why not still to buy it? So they were looking really good, but I didn't check really the nutrition fact. I just bought it and I tried it and they smelled really good, actually too good to be healthy. And then after that I was checking the nutrition facts and got to some surprising results. Here we have a little bit more details. It says it has some fat, which is okay, saturated fat. Yeah, I don't mind sodium, but carbohydrate, that surprised me. Diet fiber. So yeah, I was a little bit surprised to find that much fiber. But I mean, I mean, fiber isn't a bad thing. It can be really a good thing, but when you check the real details, unfortunately, this got a little bit out of focus. But I hope you can still see what ingredients it has. So it says coconut milk, of course. Yeah, I would say that's healthy. And tapioca flour. Okay, what's tapioca flour? I have never heard about that. Sugar, yeah, not really a good thing. Quite a lot. Egg, water, salt, black sesame seeds. Yeah, no, not too much problem about that. Of course, sugar, probably a little bit a lot. At least it smells really sweet. But the tapioca flour, yeah, I just wanted to dig a little bit more into the tapioca flour. So here I have found something. It says tapioca is almost pure starch. So it's almost entirely made up of carbs. It contains only minor amounts of protein, fat, and fiber. Due to its lack of protein and nutrition, tapioca is nutritionally inferior to most grains and flours. In fact, tapioca can be considered as empty calories. Wow, that doesn't sound too good. So I went on, made a little bit more research about that. And it says, yeah, it has become a little bit more popular recently, but it has a lot of controversy about that. And some say it has health benefits, some others say it's harmful. Yeah, so I was looking a little bit further into that. So it comes from it's from a cassava root. Cassava. I don't know how to spell that. Cassava root, tuber native to South America. Okay, something imported here. And same thing here. It says it has almost pure starch and has very limited nutritional value, but it doesn't have to be really bad. I mean, the good thing is really that it is naturally gluten-free. So I don't know why they didn't put this on the picture. So here we have, yeah, when we check the image here, yeah, we don't see anything. I mean, yeah, maybe I'm just overlooking that, but I don't see anything about gluten-free. That would be a really positive thing about that. So when I got to more details, it says that it is some kind of resistant starch. or starch. I don't know how to spell that, starch, I think. As the name implies, resistant starch is resistant to digestion and functions like fiber in the digestive system, and it has been linked to a number of benefits for oral health. It feeds the friendly bacteria in the gut, thereby reducing inflammation and the number of harmful bacteria. At least that's a good thing. It may also lower blood sugar levels. That sounds also good, and may contribute to, or all these factors contribute to better metabolic health. Okay, yeah, that's not too bad. But there was also a section about negative health effect, but it was mainly pointing to improper processed material, or cassava products may cause poisoning, something like that. So maybe I think it was in Africa, something like that. So if you buy this in US or Europe, or country which has good quality food control and so on, I think you shouldn't be worried about that. So that's my final conclusion now. I mean, when you look at the product, you would think, wow, coconut rolls, that sounds like low carb, even maybe keto, something like that, because the coconut is really a product well known for low carb or zero carb, and it is very suitable for keto diet. And some people would think, okay, it's coconut, it's good, it's keto, it's low carb, but it's absolutely not, because it really has these lots of carbs, because the tapioca is almost pure starch, which is almost entirely made of carbs. But it still has the beneficials of, which I've been telling you about. It has, it seems to be really gluten-free, at least from the ingredients. I would say it's gluten-free, and it has this really nice, or probably this nice benefits, but of course it also contains a lot of sugar. You can really feel that when you eat it. It has a lot of sugar, and yeah, so in total it's a little bit deceiving. I am definitely a little bit disappointed. I was thinking I'm buying something which is mainly made of coconut, but there are some really things which are really has nothing to do with coconut, and unfortunately it has really a lot of carbs and a lot of sugar. Is it worth the price of, I think, almost $4? I don't know. I mean, it's maybe a little bit too much, but the taste is really good. I can highly recommend. You can, if you have friends. I mean, they may probably like it. If you invite them for coffee and a few coconut rolls sounds really good. You don't have to tell them that it has a lot of sugar and carbs, but coconut rolls always sounds really good. I mean, I'm not going to throw them into garbage, of course. They are too good. I will definitely eat them, the whole package, and then probably that was it. I'm probably not going to buy them again. So I think 10 minutes, that's definitely enough for just a few coconut rolls. I still hope that I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions, comments, or other suggestions, just leave any comment in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.